Like I said in the outset, I am going to do a crisscross front and knotless braids in the back. It's my first try also. So like me always telling the guys, listen, America, hairstyle too expensive. So ever try something for herself, okay? So I'm gonna do my little niece ear today for her. Okay? Stay tuned. So now I'm finished with the front with my crisscross in the front, guys. As you can see, what I look at eyes, them not them pretty. Anyways, yes guys, so I finished with that and I'm gonna be braiding the back. Like I said, it's a knotless in the back. It's my first try also, and this is the braid that I'm gonna be using. It's expression braid. I love these braids, and you can go ahead and use whatever you want. So here I'm gonna explain how I do it, guys. Remember, we're not professional around here. Put your edge control, put your shine and jam, slick down your hair, get your nice 3 parting spaces, okay? And you start braiding the natural hair, your family natural hair, your client, whoever you're using, all right? Braid their natural hair about 4 or 5 times, or 3 or 4 times. And then you want to make sure you go in with one piece of the braid, and I do it under and grab one piece in one and one in the other, okay? Because you know when you're braiding you use 3, and I braid that for about 3 or 4 times down. Then I grab for my second piece. I think I use about 3 pieces, so I grab for my second piece. You can use 4 if you want, depending on how thick you want the hair. And I continue to braid again. So now that I have my braids share evenly with the 3 pieces of her natural hair, if you all know what I'm talking about. And I braid again, and then I'm grabbing my 3rd piece, and I'm definitely going under again, and continue to braid down. All right, get your hair nicely. Guys, please fix the hair as you go, because sometimes it doesn't catch properly. Don't be afraid to fix the hair as you go. Even professional make mistakes sometimes and they have to go back in and fix. All right, fix as you go, and that's how you're gonna be perfect. All right. And as for her natural hair, as you can see, I'm showing it to y'all. I'm gonna tuck. It's called tucking. Don't stop, guys. Twist the fake hair, the expression braids or whatever braids you use. Keep twisting it until it gets on top. See right there? On top of your client or your family natural hair. Every time you plait, you tuck. Plait, you tuck. Make sure you tuck it so that her real hair can be under and your braids can be looking nice and neat. All right, now for this part, this is how I'm doing the end. I'm gluing it, twisting it around with that one piece until it's finished, and then I'm gonna cut off the excess under the bottom. All right, keep you glue, you wrap, glue, you wrap. All right, that's what I'm doing. We're not gonna do no hot water tonight or today or whatever. All right, just this is what I'm doing, nice and fast. As you can see, I'm gonna cut that part. All right. This is the end of it, y'all. Okay, crisscross and knotless braids in the back. Boy, I'm telling you, this girl, I wish I had taken the photos before I sent her to her bed, because the girl just, some of the rubber bands burst up already, and it's true, and she just put on this short thing and scrooched the ends so the ends are curled up. But anyway, she's a child. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.